You promised you'd write, and I can't believe I fell for such a blatant lie. I'm doing alright, despite myself missing you for too long a time. But I guess you won't know, 'cause I won't let show all these feelings I hid deep down inside. I promise you this, I no longer miss you, hurting my pride. And now I can tell just how far I fell. I was on my knees, begging you not to leave. So please, just take what you want from me. I know I'm not the man you hoped I'd be, but if I can't have you, then maybe someone half as good will do. I think you'd agree, time has a way of splitting the wood out from the trees. I hope you now see just how far I went to show what you meant to me. I gave you my all, you made me feel small, and my confidence drained into the ground. I've taken my leave, don't expect me to grieve a relationship drowned. And now I can tell just how far I fell. I was on my knees, begging you not to leave. So please, you've taken enough from me. I know you're not the one I hoped you'd be. And if I can't have you, then out there is someone twice as good as you.